Hello everyone, I'm Nupur Dang, Assistant Professor, Department of ICT, Tecnia Institute of Advanced Studies. This is the video lecture series for the course Data Warehousing and Data Mining. In the previous lecture, we have had an overview of data warehousing. In today's session, we will be discussing the difference between database system and data warehouse. So let's first go through the basic introduction of both of these terms. First of all, operational DBMS or operational database management system. An operational data store is basically a database that is a temporary storage area for a data warehouse. Its primary purpose is for handling data which are progressively in use. Operational data store contains data which are constantly updated through the course of business operations. So what is a data warehouse? As we have discussed earlier also, the purpose of the data warehouse is to integrate corporate data. The amount of data in the data warehouse is massive. Data is stored at a very deep level of detail. Data warehouse does not contain all the data in the organization. Its purpose is to provide base that are needed by the organization for strategic and tactical decision making. Now let's look at the key differences between database management system and data warehouse on the basis of certain parameters. First one, the purpose. DBMS is to manage real-time transactional data. However, data warehouse is to store historical data for analysis. Second, data processing. Database management system is tuned for OLTP or online transaction processing. It handles day-to-day transactions, while data warehouse focuses on OLAP, that is online analytical processing. It supports complex queries and analytics. Data structure. In DBMS, we have normalized tables to reduce redundancy. In a data warehouse, we have denormalized schema to improve the query performance. The query type. In DBMS, we run simple queries, CRUD operations, which we also call create, read, update, delete. In a data warehouse, we have complex queries for trend analysis, aggregation, and reporting. Data source. For DBMS or the operation systems, such as ERP, CRM, banking apps, while for the data warehouse, there are multiple heterogeneous sources including databases, logs, and external sources. Speed. In DBMS, we have optimized data for inserts, updates, and deletes. In data warehouse, it is optimized for fast read operations and large queries. Next is data freshness. DBMS stores current operational data, whereas the data warehouse stores historical and the summarized data. So if we talk about next thing, that is storage, DBMS typically optimized for efficient data storage and retrieval, while data warehouse, it uses large-scale storage optimized for query performance. Users. For DBMS, the users are operational staff, for example, clerks, front-end users. For the data warehouse, the users are business analysts, data scientists, decision makers. The examples of each one of them, for DBMS, we have MySQL, PostgreSQL, SQL Server, Oracle DB. And some examples of data warehouse are Amazon Redshift, Google BigQuery, Snowflake, SAP, BW, etc. So these are some basic differences between database management system and a data warehouse. In the next lecture, we will be discussing the compelling need for data warehousing. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe Tecnia TV for more such videos.